Okay, so today we're going to look at how to make our picture file size smaller. So I've got this folder here on my desktop. I've called it Photos to Reduce Megabytes. Open that up, and in here you'll see I've got photographs. And if you see here, for example, this, if I just click on it once, this first photograph is 4.1 megabyte. The next one is 5.3, and 5.2. and this last one is 9.1. Now those are really big files, so if you're putting them in Word document to then put in the Dropbox, 5 or 6 of those pictures and we hit the Dropbox limit. It's pretty easy to change that. So what I've done is I've put all these pictures that I'm going to use in my assignment into one folder. So you'll see here. Now inside this folder, right, I've put another folder in here where I'm going to put my reduced images. You can call it whatever you want. So we're going to start with this first photograph. We'll double click it and it'll open up in the preview app. All you have to do then is go to File, Export. You may have this view to open it up so you can browse to get to your folder. Just hit the little drop down arrow here. We're going to put it in this reduced images folder. You can rename it if you want, but the really important part here is down here, this slider. You're going to bring it down almost to the end, and you'll notice it went from 2.4 megabytes or so all the way down to 386 kilobytes. Again, I'm not too worried about the quality of the image, I just want to be able to see it. So now you're going to click Save, and it'll save it into that. So now we can close this. Go back to this reduced image folder. Here's our picture, and now you can see it's much smaller. The difference is astounding, really. So now if we open it up just to see the difference in quality on the screen, you'll see the image still looks just about the same. I mean, if you were doing a great big poster that we were going to print off, I'd want the better quality, but just to hand into the Dropbox, I want you to reduce the size of the images, and then you just continue the process with the next picture. Export. Again, it'll be working into the same folder. So we're going to drop down and save. Now you can close it, open up the next one. File. Export. Always make sure that you choose the folder you want it to go into. Now if we look in here, we've got our 3 images, and again, they're substantially smaller. Now you're ready to put them into your Word document, and then you'll be able to put them into the Dropbox.